Hello guys, today is July 1st. The printer should have arrived by yesterday and it is shipped by Blue Dart, so I don't think it will arrive anytime soon. And I couldn't wait, so I picked it. I went there to Kadimangalam and picked it myself. So let's unpack it. We have this our print bed.
Yeah, we got a manual.
Here's our manual. What's that? It's quick start here. Then I pick it and how to pick this assembly. We have our hex keys. Bit of filament, I think, and some spanners, screws.
Wow. Careful though. The spool, looking for the spool.
A few moments later.
So we have almost finished installing it.
Setting up. That's what you should say.
Okay guys, our assembly is complete. Let's power it on. Come again. Okay. Switching it on. Yeah, some lights are fading in. Lights showing in cubic. Okay. Okay, the screen has lit up. Now we can auto level this. Here are some fan sounds. Okay, go to settings, auto level, tick. Okay, it's moving. Yeah. Okay. It's so showing preheating, and then wiping nozzle, and then probe. So it's all auto leveled. Now we can do our first print. So they have provided with a filament, small spool of filament. PLA. This is PLA 1.75 millimeters. It's a standard size, I guess. ഇതിന് സ്പൂളില്ലടേ. ഇതെങ്ങനെ പോവും അതില്? Spool എവിടെ? They haven't provided me with a spool.
What do you mean? Why do you need a spool? This is a spool, right?
No, അത് കറങ്ങണ്ട. ഇത് എടുക്കുമ്പോ നീളുമ്പോൾ കറങ്ങണ്ടേ.
So
ഇതിങ്ങനെയല്ലേ?
they don't have a spool.
Why don't they have a spool? so it didn't come with a spool. So I just made it one myself with cardboard, and I put the filament in it. Let's test it. Now we are gonna put the memory card in and print our first model. So I'm gonna put it here. Yes, I think here. Actually, the print wasn't successful. It was not extruding. It was moving on the door, but the filament was not coming out. Actually, it was a very simple mistake. I just didn't inserted the filament in the right way. You have to press the button-like thing on the top of the print head to while pushing it inside. I didn't push that, so that was the problem. Later, with the help of my brother, I figured this out, and this is how it went after I properly inserted it. So our print is completed. Let's take this out. Okay. So this is our first model. It's cute. Okay, that was it for now. In the coming days we will print some other models. I think I have other models in mind. So keep watching channel to view more updates, and also after I get I have ordered a PETG filament. After I get it, PETG filament, after I get it, I will make planters and sell them. Okay, so see you till then. Bye.